everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today, I'm going to be showing you something new that I have received from Bondcrafter, and that is their Fast Cure Epoxy Resin. Everything you need in this kit is listed right here, and it's all included. Today I'm going to be using my Iron Orchid designs. Snow globes. If you look on their molds, it tells you exactly how much resin for each little piece that you have in there. I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to mix 6 ounces of resin, 3 ounces of part A and 3 ounces of part B. As I create for you today these shimmering pair of snow globes filled with love, light, and hope, I want you to know that each globe tells its own story. One features a soft pink unicorn, and that's representing innocence, dreams, and healing, and the other a charming pink house, nestled in snow, a symbol of home, safety, and the love that carries us through every season. I start by preparing my mold with the Iron Orchid design. It has 2 beautiful snow globes and the sweetest little ornaments that give endless creative possibilities. For the backgrounds, I used a piece of delicate unicorn wrapping paper that I found on Amazon, and sometimes inspiration comes from the simplest of places. I carefully decoupaged it using a glossy finish to make sure those details really popped beneath the resin. For the second globe, I used one of my absolute favorites, Iron Orchid Designs Partridge Lane Transfer. That beautiful pink house. I wanted this to feel cozy, almost storybook-like, and as if you could peek out from inside and smell those cookies baking in the kitchen. Then came those paints. I took out the best in my stash, the Art Alchemy's Metallic Vintage Rose and Opal Magic in Blue Gold for the Unicorn Globe, and Sparks Night Shadow and the Metallic Brass Hardware for the house scene. These tones played beautifully off the pinks and the blues, and a perfect winter palette with a whisper of nostalgia. Once everything was dry, I added a touch of Snow Text by Deco Art. I can't even imagine how long that was in my stash. And that gave it that frosted, Christmassy look. I put it on the trees and on the rooftops, and a little bit on the ground. And just when I thought it couldn't get any prettier, I added some rainbow flakes suspended in UV resin, curing them under my Let's Resin UV light. And you know me, I couldn't resist finishing this off with ribbon. I dipped into my rather extensive ribbon stash and I used some of that wide vintage style velvet with gold trim, and I tied the 2 pieces together, and the other one I used that gold mesh. That gold, oh, is it gorgeous. And I have to confess, I grabbed the crazy glue at the last minute because I was in a hurry. And I just glued it to the back. But it glued perfect. But the final touch, the one that made that unicorn come truly alive, was the sprinkling of the Iron Orchid Designs gilded tinsel. That touch of gold shimmer turned that piece into pure magic. Now, as you can see, both of these pieces carry those soft pink hues. And that was intentional, because October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And these globes are my way of honoring that journey. The strength, the courage, the love of those who fight, those we've lost, and those who are still standing strong. The pink unicorn represents every dream not yet given up on. Every woman, every man, every friend who's found their wings through the fight. That pink house symbolizes the homes and the families who stand together. The warmth, the support, and the hope that healing is possible. Don't forget that today is the last day to add names to our wall of love and light. If you'd like to honor someone, please leave the name down in the comments below or message me. Just a first name and an initial is enough. I'll make sure that they are added. I'll be showing the completed wall at the end of this video that are all the names that I have so far. And I'll also be showing that short video that includes all the participants in this year's collaboration with Love, Light, and Pink Beyond the Ribbon. And if you haven't yet scheduled your mammogram, remind someone you love and take care of yourself. Early detection truly saves lives. And if you haven't donated yet, take a moment. Every single dollar counts towards research, towards helping others in their fight towards breast cancer. And if you feel you cannot spare that dollar, then try volunteering, even a few hours. You can volunteer by driving someone to a hospital, to a doctor's appointment. Sometimes they're just too sick and they can't make it themselves. You can make a difference. I want to take a moment and thank all my wonderful members, my Dollar in a Dream supporters, and everyone who watches, comments, and shares, or simply brings kindness to this community. You make what I do possible, and your love lifts me every day. Special thanks to Bondcrafter for sending me this amazing resin, and you will find a discount code down below in my description. If you would like to support with Love, Light, and Pink, the fundraiser, you'll find all the information down below. Every bit helps, whether it's a donation, whether you're sharing it, or whether you're simply sending love into the world. Remember, creativity heals, art can inspire hope, and together we can turn awareness into action. If you haven't met your neighbor yet, say hello to your neighbor and make a new friend today. Everything used in this video will be found down below in my description. This is our wall of warriors as of today. Please join us October 29th and October 30th with Love, Light, and Pink, Beyond the Ribbon, a global collaboration for breast cancer awareness and a fundraiser. Join us with all these amazing creators. You're not going to want to miss it. I Shoot Crafty Kids Club will be following me next. The Paper Queen herself. Thank you all for joining me today. See you soon. Bye-bye now.